In the new version of Hi-LiDAR, both standard point cloud processing and integrated processing support batch processing for large-scale, multi-project datasets and automatic merging of multiple task data. Next, we will use two sets of actual survey task data to explain the applicable scenarios of union calculation and ordinary point cloud processing. There are two sets of the task data in the S project. First, create a new project, enter the project name and select the corresponding file path. Before clicking Union Calculation, we need to clarify the applicable conditions for using this function. Scenarios like streets, tunnels and other large-scale environments cannot be fully scanned in a single pass, so they need to be divided into multiple survey sections for segmented collection. For example, the two tasks below have no overlap or only minimal overlap with each other. Running ordinary point cloud calculation directly delivers fast processing speed, yet it is highly likely to cause layering and misalignment in the results, requiring time-consuming and laborious rework in the later stage. However, if sufficient overlap is reserved between survey areas during scanning, preferably more than 30%. As demonstrated by these two sets of processed point cloud data, and then union calculation is adopted, the resulting point cloud will show barely any layering and can be seamlessly stitched together. Next, we will demonstrate the operation and result display of union calculation. Click Union Calculation, select the calculation method. PPAK calculation is recommended, then choose the appropriate ellipsoid and projection according to the actual situation. Click OK to start union calculation. After the calculation is completed, we can draw a vertical section to check the layering of the point cloud. From the vertical section result, there is almost no layering, and the stitching effect of the two-point clouds is excellent.